Alright, welcome back to the channel, you guys. On today's video, it's a special one because today is my 31st birthday and I want to do something kind of cool for you guys on my birthday. So I wanted to do 31 miles for my 31st, but that's not going to happen. We're still doing something pretty cool. We're going to do 31 kilometers for my 31st birthday, and we're actually here at the East parking lot at North Table Mountain here in Golden. So we're actually going to start at North Table Mountain today, go around North Table, go to the top of the sea cliffs up at the top of North Table Mountain, and then drop down, head into Golden, head south towards South Table Mountain, and then actually go up that mountain in south, go up at the top, run around there a little bit, come back down to Golden and make my way north. Then I'm going to turn east towards the Coors Brewery, go past all that, and then I'm actually going to be finishing up my 31K at the parking lot of New Train Brewery, which I don't know if you guys know or not, but that is my all-time favorite brewery here in Colorado and in Golden in general. But it's going to be a fun day. I can't wait to start this one out with you guys. Let's get going. Alright guys, so I'm at about that 5-mile mark right now, and I just got to the top of North Table Mountain here in Golden, and there's some really good views behind me that I'm just checking out right now. I'm gonna have a bar real quick and then jump back on the trail. I'm gonna go down into Golden itself and actually run along some trails down there and then make my way over to South Table. So let's keep it going. Just got into Golden. Next stop, South Table. So I just hit that 10-mile mark in the run, and this is actually a good spot to stop and kind of just look around, because if you look across South Table towards the north, towards North Table, you can see where I'm gonna end up, and you can barely see it, but if you look closely, you can see the brewery from here at New Terrain. It's still far way away. I'm at the end of South Table Mountain right now, and I'm gonna turn back around, and I still have about 10 more miles to go. But body feels good. Legs are a little sore for not training for this pretty much at all. Pretty happy about it. So let's just keep it going. Let's get back to the trails. Oh, nothing like a goo with caffeine after your legs bonk. So I'm just under mile 15 and just got off the South Table Mountain. And it's funny, I've lived here for almost 4 years and I've never stepped foot on South Table. So it's pretty cool to go up there, run around for the first time, and get some new terrain under my belt. But now I'm gonna going back towards new terrain. Got about 4 miles left, and I cannot wait to have a fresh cold beer. Let's get back at it. Alright guys, we just hit that 31K point here in the run, and I can just see the brewery up the road, so I'm going to use this time to just kind of loosen the legs up, recover a little bit, walk up there. That was a fun run, and I mean, although it was challenging and I probably should have picked something with a little less elevation gain, it still made for a great day. My legs are definitely feeling it right now. I haven't ran that long in a long time. I tore my ACL a few years ago, and I didn't even know if I could ever run again, so with the help of my girlfriend and a lot of people, I got back to where I am today. But I don't know, it's just a good thing to challenge yourself every now and then, whether it's every day, weekly, monthly, I don't care. You should challenge yourself and see what you have inside of you, because I don't know what it was that made me want to do 31K for my 31st birthday, but it just made the day that much more special. And knowing that I'm getting older, I can still do stuff like this. I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching this video. It means the world to me that you guys are here watching, commenting, and for you that subscribe, it just means a ton. My 31st birthday, damn it. I'm so happy. I'm gonna go catch up with my girlfriend right now and her parents and our close friends and family, have a beer at my favorite brewery here at New Terrain, and just enjoy the rest of the day. I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and have a great rest of your day.
Yeah. You did it.
I did it. Thanks for coming.
How was it?
It was hell.